here are the values for the patch. First is whole, and we got decay 10, tone 5, mix 46, pred 49, level 100, tail off. Next to that one is the B breaker or the amp sim, which is blues breaker, gain 70, tube 31, level 100, and then treble 50, mid 50, bass 52, and then presence 51, cab B breaker 2x12, and output line. Last is the crybaby or the pedal cry. Then you got frequency 15, dry mix 0, level 100. Now for the drum pattern, I use the hard rock, and then it's 85 beats per minute and level 55. Now for the special effects, which is like a turntable scratch, I change it. I use the CA combo, which is already a preset here on G1xOn. So just look for that one. No need for me to discuss what's inside because I didn't change anything in there. But what I wanted to show to you is that you go on the patch settings and then go to pedal, and then you need to, it's originally on auto assign, you need to change that one into input volume because I don't have a kill switch and I'm using this one to turn off and on the volume, so 0 to 100. So that's it.